What's up everyone, Vitaly here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use the Koala AI writer to write Amazon product reviews in listicle format and include your Amazon affiliate links in those product reviews. So here's actually a sample article that I created with the Koala writer that I'll be showing you how I do in this video, but this is a preview of what it looks like. And this is an affiliate link you can see in the bottom left of my screen that takes people to my Amazon affiliate link to buy this product. There's also a good review underneath that. Here's another one, here's another one. And you can use the Koala AI writer to basically do the same thing, whether it be for, in this case, men's hiking shoes that I wanted it to create an article on, to whatever other subject you want. You can even use the Koala AI writer to write singular Amazon product reviews on one product, and that would be something I'd recommend if you're looking to create an article reviewing a high-ticket product that you find on Amazon that you're looking to promote. Koala is, in my opinion, one of the best AI writers to do this. So I'll be showing you how that all works, what it looks like, what you need to do in order to make these kinds of articles happen. But before I do, let me just quickly say that if you're new to my channel, my name is Vitaly and I cover the subject of making money online. I do this for a living and I showcase my knowledge on this subject within the videos that I share here. Here are some of my stats in this business. Here are some others. I have a great deal of experience in affiliate marketing and other related subjects on making money online. And so you're welcome to check out my content, my channel, like, share, all that kind of stuff. But I would also say that if you're new or you're struggling to the subject of making money online, this is also something I do help people out with. And one of the best ways to learn from what it is that I do for a living and to also learn how to do that as well is to check out the link that I'll leave below this video. It'll be to a free beginner course that teaches you the fundamentals of how to make money online. It's all explained below. It's free to try. It's beginner friendly. And on top of that, I'll also be leaving a link to the Koala AI writer, which you can check out for free just to see how this all works so you can test the waters with it. So let's dive back into the subject of how the Koala AI writer can be used. Now I'm going to show you a beginner version to this, which can write you easy listicle product, Amazon product reviews, and then I'll show you a more advanced way to do this. And the more advanced way might be better for you if you're trying to be a bit more specific about which products you want to use, because this sample article that I have over here, this actually takes popular shoes, hiking shoes for men in this case, from Amazon. But if you want to customize this list and maybe choose the ones that you wanted to create a review on, that's where you'd want to be more on the advanced side. But I'm going to show you how that works. So basically what you want to do in the main home screen of the Koala AI writer is head over to the menu over here where it says Koala AI writer. And once you're in this area, this is where you're going to basically be the architect of the article that it's going to create. Now in this case, saved presets, this is just, it could be any project name that you want. Project itself can be also whatever site that you want. It doesn't matter here. When it comes to the model, I personally stick to the Claude option, but you can also use ChatGPT 4.1. Koala does function on a credit system when it comes to how many articles and content you can create, and Claude takes up more credits, but it does give you, in my opinion, better content. So it's one of those things where you use up more credits, but you get better quality content, which I'm all for. So I'm going to leave it at that. Article type, this is where you're going to want to select one of two things. If you're trying to create like a top 5 or top 10 article on the best Amazon products in whatever niche, like men's hiking shoes, this is what you'd want to choose. If you want to create an individual Amazon product review for, let's say, a high-ticket product that you're promoting as an affiliate, that's where you'd want to do Amazon single product review. I may make a video about it, but for the purposes of this video, I'm going to select the first option, which is Amazon product roundup. Okay, now target keyword, this is where you are going to want to choose a certain subject, a niche that you're trying to promote Amazon products in. In this case, I'm going to do the exact same thing that I did before, which is best men's hiking shoes. And in your case, let's say you're reviewing gardening products, like top 10 gardening products for beginners. Maybe it's some kind of like, dog leashes, like, best dog leashes or something like that, or for a certain breed, or maybe the best drones for beginners or something like that. You can really go wild with the target keyword, but it is important that you have a specific keyword and niche, because the article that will be written will be with products within that niche. So you want to be consistent here. Amazon domain, leave that as is. Number of products, I typically stick to 5. You can go really far with this, to be honest with you. Like some people go for 10, but there's a lot of content with 10 that might be a little bit overwhelming. I find 5 is like a good number to go with. Enable first-hand experience. Now see where it says Amazon tracking ID. This is important. This is where you insert your own Amazon affiliate ID, so it can insert that ID into the actual products that it will create content on, okay? So the way to do that is there's 2 options available. You can head over to the main Amazon website, click on Get Link, and in order to actually see this, you actually have to be an Amazon affiliate, so you have to sign up with Amazon Associates to do that. But you'll notice where it says text link to this page, there's a store ID and there's a tracking ID. You're going to want to click on where it says tracking ID. Now in my case, I have different tracking IDs because I have different sites that promote different products. So in your case, it'll probably be 1, but you're going to want to choose that one and highlight it like so, and then copy it, like I'm doing over here, and then go back to the Koala AI writer and paste it. Now you'll notice that it's missing the -20. This is very, very important to make sure that it's not missed. So you'll notice that I use this one, NS Desert Hiking Table. Let's just say that this is your affiliate link sale. It says -20. For whatever reason, it doesn't always copy this over. So if it doesn't, for whatever reason, see this -20, you're just going to want to add that in. This is important. Now the second option to do this is you can head over to your Amazon Associates account and just get that full link there. That's easier to copy and paste. That might be something for you, but just make sure that this is correct, that it's at the full tracking ID. So it actually tracks it. Otherwise, your affiliate ID isn't going to be tracked. Amazon search URL. You don't need to do this one, it's optional, but basically what you can do here is you can do like an Amazon search for, let's say, men's hiking shoes, and you'll see different hiking shoes. You can also put this in, but the way that this works is, see this really long ID at the top? This already has my affiliate ID, and I don't want that. What I want is just the Amazon site, the /search, and basically everything that I'm highlighting here, which is K equals men's plus hiking plus shoes. Because this is the search result that I'm trying to get for Koala. So I can actually paste that here. It can help you, so this can be, it says it's optional, but this is just an additional ingredient to help Koala produce better quality work for you. Amazon internal linking, leave that as is. Tone of voice, you can leave that as is as well. I leave it on casual. English, first person, you can also do I, me, mine, and whatever. I typically stick to first person plural or first person singular. So I'm going to leave it at that. Now here's where we want to go. This is where the beginner option ends and the advanced option begins. If you're okay with what I just showed you, you just click on create article and it'll go from there. If you maybe don't know which specific products you want the Koala AI writer to create an article on, and you're like, I just trust this thing to suggest good quality products, and it will, and you're okay with that, just click on create article, and this is where the video technically ends for you. Now, if you want to be a little bit more specific and you're like maybe an expert in your niche and you want to specifically choose products from Amazon, in this case on men's hiking shoes, that you would personally recommend for yourself and for a friend, or in this case the potential customer that's reading your content, this is where you're going to want to click on. You're going to highlight where it says use outline editor, and you're going to want to click on, see, now it doesn't say create article, now it says create outline. Once you click on that, before it creates the article, it's going to create like a template, an outline of the article. And within this template is where you're going to be able to customize which specific products you want the Koala AI writer to create the reviews on. So these are different sections, and you can also move this up and down depending on it, but usually the chronological order that this is organized in is fine. You don't need to do anything here. What you do want to change, if that is the subject, you'll see a preview of which hiking shoes it wants to suggest, which are these ones. And you can look them up on Amazon to see if they're good. They have good product, they have good reviews. A lot of them, obviously you want to recommend good stuff for your customers, but let's say, for example, that this first option here is not something that you want. You're going to want to click on this button over here where it's the pencil. This is the edit button, and see where it shows the ASIN. This is the ID for this specific product. Now let's say that I don't want to recommend this product. I have a specific one in mind. So let's say I go into Amazon and I want to recommend the one that has like this one, the Men's Chameleon 8 Stretch Hiking Shoes. It's got a lot of good positive, over 2,000 positive reviews, 140 bucks, no problem. Now see where it says, let me just go back over here, where it says ASIN. This number is what I'm going to want to find up here in the link, and it's actually right over here. Okay, so I'm going to copy that. This is the ID for this product, and I'm going to go back into the Koala, and I'm going to erase this, and I'm going to paste this new one over there. And I'm going to click on save. Now this number where it says product, it changed from the name of the product to this ID. That's okay when the product review is actually created. This will not show the ID. This will show this actual, it will show this actual product, okay? So let's say that this is fine and the other list is fine, then it's okay. Then I click on write article. And now it's going to create the article for me. And you're going to notice that the first one that I changed is going to be reflective of, I keep doing this, it's over here. So it's going to be reflective of this one right here. So best men's hiking shoes for spring adventures in 2025. You can obviously, if you're not happy with the title or some of the content, you can update it, but I find that the Koala AI writer is very high quality and very spot on most, if not all of the time when I'm creating content, especially if you use the template order that I was showing you earlier to help it create better quality content. So there it is. There's that one that I was showing you. See right here, because I replaced the ID. This is also my Amazon affiliate link, and the link is also in here as well. You can also, on the back end, when you upload this to your website, you can also add your affiliate link everywhere else. Here's the other shoe. Still making the article, you can see by the spinning wheel over here, but this is a preview of what the Koala AI writer can deliver when it comes to the results. And I've created many listicle product reviews with the Koala AI writer using what I'm sharing with you over here. And again, this one right here, Burrell Moab 3 hiking shoes. People click on this, that takes them to the actual shoe right here. And this is my affiliate link over here that's included. You can also, if you want to just insert your affiliate links manually on the back end, you can do that as well, but this just makes the process easier. So it's creating that, it's still going with it. Here's the fifth and last shoe on the list. It's still going forward. It's going to be about 2,000 or so words. That's usually what I find when I ask you to do 5. Articles, buying guide, this is really good as well. Fit and comfort, and you know, I've done this enough times to know that the Koala AI writer does really, really great quality product reviews, especially if they're listicle. So that's it. This is the article right here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on where it says copy, the bottom arrow. I'm going to click on HTML. I'm going to log into my website and I'm going to paste it. And if there's any changes that need to be made, that's where I'll do it. Okay, so that's how it works. That's how you can create listicle Amazon reviews with the Koala AI writer. I know this video was a bit long on that subject, but the more thorough I am with this, the easier it's going to be for you to do. Like this just takes me about a few minutes to do nowadays, so it'll probably get to that point with you as well if you practice this enough. So again, to finish up, I'll leave a link to the Koala AI writer, which you can check out for free, so you can try this out yourself. There are paid plans. I use one of their pro plans because that's sufficient for me. You can go with whatever is comfortable for you, but check it out first so you can see how this works. But that's the process explained. Now in terms of monetizing it, you can send Pinterest traffic to this, you can send YouTube traffic to this. There's a lot of ways that you can monetize this stuff, but in terms of creating content on your website for this, Koala is honestly one of the best, if not the best AI writer for when it comes down to it. And so to finish up, if again you're someone that's new to the subject of making money online, or perhaps you're struggling and you need help, I'll also be leaving a link below to my free beginner guide that explains that process, helps you follow in my footsteps, provides you with an action plan that you can follow to also start doing what I do for a living. So thanks a lot for watching this video. If you have any questions, also you're welcome to leave them below the video. But other than that, I'll see you all in the next video. Take care, everyone.